Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy, and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. I'm out here at one of my clients' projects. They bought this house a couple of weeks ago, and we've got people in here doing all kinds of work already to it, keeping on a tight budget and making it to where they can get it to the house that they want to move into as soon as possible. And this thing had some popping up weird tile. The tile was going bad. It was loose from the builder when they had built it, and it just needed to be replaced. It also had some weird, like this weird fur down the way that the fireplace was built out into the living room. So as you can see here, this fireplace, which actually they're going to be able to sell this thing probably because it was a nice gas turn on fireplace, and remove it. And so you see the junk pile of stuff that's getting ready to go to the dump. So in here, we've custom ordered a 96-inch French door that's going to go into this office space right here that was built. This wall was just open because this was the dining room and it went into the kitchen area. So that's going to be sealed up. And this is going to make their office here with the nice tall doors. Got the wood look tile going in all in here. Put in some can lighting. And this is where the fireplace was right here. You know, and one of the really fun things to do is get that first shot of the sledgehammer going through the wall, right? I carry one around in the trunk of my car, and so they're mostly for signs and stuff, but we'll use it in these cases, and it's so fun. It's such an invigorating experience for somebody to start doing that first bit of demo to their house. It's so cool. You know, one of the coolest things is being able to visualize something, come up with some ideas, and then see it put into action. And it's so cool to see that happen with my clients' properties when they do this. You know, great vision and skills were meant to be shared, and I love to share my skill set with the people who need some assistance in that realm. So if you're interested in buying a house and maybe buying something that, you know, needs a little vision and needs a little work, I'm your guy. I would love to sit down and speak with you about that. Let's take a look at it. You know, sometimes we do find the 95% house. It's a cream puff. We can walk right into it and close on it. You move right in. But sometimes it makes sense to go down a little bit on budget and put some money into it to make it exactly the way that you want it. So I'm Kevin McCarthy. I'd love to speak with you. Love to have a conversation about it. Or if you just want to talk about a project, I love to put my 2 cents into something. So feel free to reach out to me.